Good morning, everyone. It's such a nice evening. What's cool is I reduced my pack up time by 15 minutes. My new packing strategy, so that is awesome. Ready to go. Anyway, I'm gonna get some breakfast. So we can go in there 4 or 5 miles a day, but we'll see. Depends on how much energy we have. Because if we don't stop before we get to the other side of this volcano, we have 5 miles of trail finding and boulder hopping. And then maybe there'll be a campsite. So if we don't go 5, we have to go 10. We'll just play that by ear and how easy it looks, and how tired we are, how much food we have, etc.
I'm just going to reiterate what I just said. So we either have to go to a camp right around the Tuttle River area, which is about 5 miles away. And if we don't do that, we have to go all the way across the backside of the mountain. Okay, through the blowout area. And I said that was a 5-mile jaunt. It's actually more like 10 miles. But yeah, so we're going to stop probably around the Tuttle River area. Maybe do some exploring. Who knows?
Seriously, merging. How's it going?
Mission complete.
So you slept really good?
At first it was a little rough.
What, did my snoring keep you up? Did I snore? Oh, good. I slept very well.
Every time I woke up I heard animals.
What, like foot animals?
I heard, I think, little chipmunks or something crawling around my bag. Then I heard owls, I think.
Ooh.
But I was like half asleep, so I wasn't really sure. And then of course there was the nighthawks.
Oh, nighthawks were numerous. There was like 8 of them, 6 or 8 of them. Ready to go. My hips are sore.
My shoulders are sore.
Oh, really? We're gonna go back up here and we're gonna go take a left.
Take a lift.
Continue our journey around the mountain. We found ourselves a river bed.
Oh, use water.
There's the butts. 1, 2. I like that meadow down there. Cool. It might actually be a pond, a swamp thingy.
That's what I was wondering.
Yeah.
That's what I first thought it was.
Mm-hmm. I found water. There's a couple pools down there. I already filled up. I'm ready to go again. It was a lot easier to go my way.
That was a memory.
Well, the chipmunk's dead. You know, we're having to go around this huge ravine, lose 600 feet so we can finally cross it. My goodness.
We could go up there.
Oh, we could, but it'd be a struggle.
Look at those boulders that are just ready to go.
I know. What you could do, sir, is you could run, jump, and land right there.
And then what?
Then go from there. Fly. What happened?
There's a hummingbird.
Really?
And it almost hit me. I thought it was a bee. It came like 5 feet from me, but it just looked like a bee.
If you were rock climbing. 2 acre.
So we went down about.
Oh my goodness. I'm ready.
So we went down about
800 feet.
800 feet.
Nope. 600.
600 feet. Because this canyon was so huge, we couldn't cross it until now. And now we get to go back up. Tom's gonna show you how it's done here.
My hands hurt.
Shut up, wimp.
They hurt. This would be quite difficult without this rope.
You literally said 2 seconds ago, who needs rope? Alright.
Here, I'll hold it for you.
I was just gonna film you going across, but that works too.
Okay, yeah, I'll go. Yeah, maybe. It's not that bad though. Oh,
I need the rope.
okay, the rope is nice. Oh, this goes up for a while. Whoa. Okay, into the first section.
Dude, that was dramatic.
Don't worry, Sarah, I'll remember to put epic music in there. Knocks rock down.
I got flashbacks.
There you go.
Look at that bird. Is that a seagull?
Whoa.
It knows I'm weak.
It's circling here.
It's coming for me. Oh. I almost fell down there.
Look at the line of different colored sediment in there.
Wow.
It's pretty cool.
Only I cared. Hummingbird. Did you see that?
Mm-hmm. That was a big bee though. It's amazing to me how quick scenery changes. And now we have these big fir trees. Oh, you know, bare grass, big trees. Just a little while ago, it was small trees and rock. Then it was dense forest. Then it was like desert again. Now we have all these cascade lilies. And there's the other side of the mountain. I think we're now pretty much on the west side. Pretty cool. We're getting that momentum. Look at these trees. Absolutely beautiful. Oh. Wow. Now we're about ready to go into some dense, smaller tree forest again.
You look like a chicken.
Chicken of the woods. We found some grouse. Yeah, you can see them better here. Oh, there's another one.
Is that a baby?
Baby, yeah. Here's some stuff. My goodness. Whoa. Whoa.
That's a good picture.
Whoa. Oh my goodness.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And look down there. I wonder where the trail's gonna take us here. Oh my goodness. Wow. I see a road out there too.
I think I see the trail.
Probably do.
Come over here. I think
Oh, I see it. Yeah. Just beyond that.
we go around it.
Wow. There's rocks falling. I hear it.
Maybe this is where that big thud was.
It might have been. Sarah, I found blueberries and they're so good. Oh my goodness.
That was like dessert.
Oh my goodness, look how juicy it is. It's bleeding on me.
Look at that.
Look. This one I got was a little bit not as juicy.
Yeah, that one wasn't as good either.
We just got those really good ones real quick. So I mean, like if we go oh, look at this. Anyway, it's gotten really overgrown.
This is flying. This is like a tail.
Yeah, it is. Look at these flowers. Wow. Oh my goodness. A columbine.
Oh, I love this.
Wow. Wow. This is absolutely beautiful. Now we're in like forest. Huge trees. Yeah, we're on this. We're gonna drop 1,700 feet here down to that river, the Tuttle River, and we'll go from there. Wow. Alright, we got this little camp spot over here. Actually two, there's one there, one there. Quite nice. Overlooking the river, Tuttle River. We're gonna get some food. We're gonna run down there to the river, get some water, get some food and go from there. Because we're tired and it's like another 5 miles. But it's only 12:30. It's another 5 miles at least to the next camp spot because we go into a restricted zone. So we're just gonna get food and go from there. We're gonna get some food and go from there. We're just gonna get food and go.
A few moments later.
That's right, I got that ramen. Did it? Alright, there's the Helen Tuttle River behind me. I'm just exploring a little bit. We're gonna go behind the mountain tomorrow. I mean, I slept for like an hour and a half, or at least laid down for that long. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that little island right there. What? Sarah? I just looked back and you're crawling. I just wanted to go check.
Cool.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. We're back from our little exploration. I've been for a little while actually, but we don't have much battery on the GoPro, so it just kind of is what it is. It's about 6 o'clock now. Just getting some food. I'm a little bit chilly, and I'm hungry. We got sunset going on. Starting to form anyway. It's like 8:20.
How much more battery do you have?
11%. Not much.
Everything's gonna be alright.
Is that the song you got stuck in your head?
I don't know. I didn't know I had it stuck in my head until I started singing.
Also, GoPro, guess what? There was a rock that fell from the very tippy top of the cliff in a great cloud of dust. It was about a large basketball size. That was intense.